This tutorial is made in 1280 times 720 and I've made the text a little larger. I don't think I did that in the 3 previous tutorials. But anyway, today we're going to add a file to an existing zip file slash archive, and then we're going to delete a file from an existing zip file. And the files we're going to work with is image, info, and picture. JPEG, PDF, and TIFF. It could probably have been easier using text1, text2, and text3, but at least you see you can put whatever you want in, well, not whatever, but you can put a lot of things in a zip file. So to begin with, we're going to add 2 files here, right? We're going to create our zip file. We're going to call it container.zip, and we're going to add the image file and the picture file for now. And the TIFF here is a little large, so it's going to take a few seconds. And what you're about to see here is that we have created our container. If we look inside it, unzip tac L. Last tutorial we learned 3 different ways to look inside, and the name of our zip. And we can see here we have image and picture inside it. We have 2 files, right? And now we're going to add the info PDF. So we are going to zip tac R and then the name of our already created zip file, and then the name of the file we want to add, which is info.pdf. And it's been added, and if we look inside it now, we see we have 3 files. So it's been added. Now let's remove the image and the picture and the info here, and we are just left with our container here. And as before, we're just gonna peek inside here with our 3 files, and now we're going to delete a file, and we can delete the image.jpg. Zip tac D, the name of our zip file, which is container.zip, and the file we want to delete, which we found out was image.jpg. And that's deleted. If we now look inside, we have now 2 files, which means we have deleted the image.jpg, right? And to prove that, we are now going to open it, unzip container, and we are left with the 2 files. Now, of course, I'm removing stuff here just to make a point, but don't delete your originals and just keep them in the zip file. If things go wrong, they're gone forever, right? And that's it for now.